If you love the vibe of Stranger Things, where a group of kids solves dark mysteries, then this Indian series is a must-watch for you. The story is set in a haunted villa in Goa, where a series of mysterious deaths are taking place. To uncover the truth, three brave kids who call themselves the Ghost Club, along with their loyal dog, start an investigation. But things take a terrifying turn when they discover an old typewriter. This isn't just any machine, it is cursed. As a new family moves into the villa, the real horror begins, and the secrets of the past start coming back to life. With just 5 episodes, this mini-series is a perfect blend of friendship, suspense, and supernatural thrills. The series is called Typewriter, and you can stream it right now on Netflix. Have you watched it yet? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more binge-worthy recommendations.